Hi, I'm Mark Olives, and today I'm going to show you how to do crunches the right way when you have back problems. And actually, this is the same way you want to do crunches no matter what. I just tried to come up with a good catchy title there to get your attention. But especially when you're having back problems, you want to do crunches a certain way to make sure that you do not put an inordinate amount of stress on your back, and also to make sure that you're training the muscles in the right way. So first I'm going to just show you how it's done, and then we'll talk a little bit as we go about why this is the right way to do it. So first of all, when you do a crunch, it's best to keep one leg up, bent, and the other leg straight. It doesn't matter which one is bent, which one is straight. You don't have to trade off. The purpose of this is to position your pelvis in a neutral position. Now, neutral position is simply the position that you're in when you're standing in a direct posture, or like a military posture. That would be ideal posture. And that's the way we want to train the body when we're training these muscles. So, one leg bent up, and then what you're going to do is you're going to keep your face or your head parallel to the ceiling. So you want your face not to be in this position, but back in this position. Then you can cross your arms across your chest. If your neck gets sore, you can put your hands behind your head. But as you come up, make sure that you do not, again, bring your chin to your chest. You just want to come up a little bit, just enough so that your muscles are tight here. So if somebody punched you in the stomach, you'd be ready for it. But you do not want to come all the way up. That'd be a mistake. So you're just going to come up just high enough to where you feel these muscles get tight, but not so far that you feel your low back go into the bed. You're going to hold those positions, or you're going to hold that position for 7 seconds. Then you're going to repeat. Now, the reason for that specific position is they've done studies and shown that when you work a muscle, you want to train it in the exact position it's going to get utilized in. And a traditional crunch where you're going all the way down into a flexed position is very impractical. If you were going to lift something off the ground, you don't bend forward at the waist. You know that that's the worst thing you could possibly do for your back. What you do is you keep your back in a neutral position. So again, pretend you're in that military position. You're going to squat down and pick something up. You want your bottom to be out, shoulders back. Well, again, the traditional crunch is the exact opposite. So in this position with one leg bent up, what you're able to do is keep your spine in that neutral position. You come up just high enough to get the muscles engaged, and that's where you're working. And that's the position that you want to do when you do a crunch. Don't come up all the way. It's not going to benefit you, and it just puts an additional strain on your back. I'm going to do some more videos and talk about the proper way to train abs, but this is just a good starter, and especially if you're having back pain, that's what you want to do. I hope this helps you out. Thanks.